Hello and Namaskar. I am Arindrana from VRightPath, an eternal knowledge platform dedicated to providing clarity and helping you bridge your karma gaps. I recently attended the much awaited book launch of Vision to Victory Unleashing India's SME platform by Mr. Adit Thakur, former BSc SME head and who is now the CEO and managing partner of TGI SME Capital Advisors. I recommend that you must read the incredible book. As head of the BSc SME platform, Mr. Thakur was instrumental in the success of over 1,000 companies that listed during his tenure. This inspiring book is not only a valuable resource on SMEs and capital markets, but also a profound account of a man who overcame immense challenges, both professionally and personally. Having said that, let's now move on to our discussion. Many of you have been asking me for astrological insights on the stock markets. So, in today's session, I'll be discussing Muhurat Trading 2024, a unique Diwali opportunity, as well as a key astrological events for Samvat 2081. This overview will help you understand planetary influences on the markets and make more informed decisions. So, with Muhurat Trading around the corner, I am sure you are ready to make the most of this auspicious 1 hour trading window on the NSE and BSE happening today, November 1 from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. And here are some lesser known insights into the special tradition. Let's get started. If you are thinking of investing for the first time in Muhurat Trading, here is what you need to do. Before making any investment, especially during the Diwali Muhurta trading session today, it's ideal to consider the specific auspicious yogas that support investments. Following these can help you make well-informed decisions and avoid potential missteps. At BrightPath, we provide daily yoga charts personalized to individual birth charts. Our approach helps you gain clarity, bridging your karma gaps, and effectively navigate life challenges. If you aim to contact, if you can, contact us 7700029963. Uh, so we would urge if you aim to attract good fortune and financial success through a path aligned with your birth chart, you can, contact us and feel free to do that, whenever you feel like. So now let's delve into our predictions, at BrightPath and astrological analysis for Samvat 2021. So before we begin giving you insights into the planetary as influence on the markets for the next 1 year, let me give you some what has happened so far. The BSE Sensex, after reaching an all-time high of 85,978 points on September 26, has been on a downward trend, currently trading around 79,000 points. This decline is influenced by several astrological factors, including a recent solar eclipse that was in the first week of October, and also the retrograde motion of both Jupiter and Saturn has been causing this kind of problem in the market. Uh, Jupiter on 9th of October, turned retrograde, and this will last up to February 5th, 2025, very long one. This is signaling a period of slowing momentum, reflection, and recalibration in the cosmos. Historically, Saturn's retrograde periods have been correlated to the rising conflicts, protests, geopolitical tensions, and widespread challenges in people's life. As we must have seen the last few months that Saturn has been in retrograde motion. So looking ahead post Diwali, we can expect positive shifts, especially as Saturn turns direct on November 2015 and the Sun transits into Scorpio. So when Sun is in Scorpio now, Sun is transiting in Libra, which is its weakest point. It's stabilized there. Uh, in Scorpio, Sun will be aspected, or there will be drishti of Rahu and Saturn on Sun. So this means that problems for people like people whoever are the heads of the government sort of things, uh, and also for the heads of the top, corporate heads, and there could be some negativity that can come in. This astrological shift should bring, unless, because this Saturn becoming direct is a good thing. So this can bring stability to the external environment, fostering positivity in both personal and professional spheres, and potentially bringing a steadier phase for Indian markets is what I'm hoping. Uh, Only problem is that the heads of the institutions, the government, and all that, they could face some problem and protests and all those kind of things. From November 25th to December 15, Mercury will be retrograde in Scorpio, intensifying the effects of Jupiter retrograde. This overlap may bring challenges in communication and decision making, urging careful reflection and greater trust in close relationships, as honesty and clarity may be harder to come by. So you can see that there could be some sort of problems, slip of tongues happening, miscommunication happening, propaganda, false information going around can, you know, bring the negative effects to the market. Also, on December 6, 2024, Mars will also enter retrograde motion in Cancer. Now, this phase will remain. Mars will remain retrograde up to February 23rd, 2015. 2025. And in Vedic astrology, Mars going retrograde holds significant meaning as Mars represents enthusiasm and energy. Its retrograde state can bring notable effects, potentially inclining individuals towards harsher tendencies, which may lead to increased conflicts and tensions in our lives or in somebody's lives. In there could be further tensions in geopolitical, or there could be something negative can unfold. Additionally, on 24th of December, Jupiter retrograde will form a 10 square with Saturn in Aquarius. Now, this alignment can amplify challenges in personal and collective structures, so we need to be careful. Also, from March 1 to April 12, 25, Venus will also be in retrograde motion. Now, this phase may bring limitations in financial resources and slow down pursuits of material gains. So, money can again get affected. Again, if you look at following this, Saturn favorable transit in Aquarius correlates, concludes on March 29, 2025. When Saturn conjuncts Rahu in Pisces until May 20, 2025, which means the Saturn will move to Pisces on 29 March and will be with Rahu until May 20. May 20, Rahu will again will move to a Aquarius sign for the next 1.5 year, and this will cast a malefic aspect on Jupiter as it transits Gemini. So from Aquarius, Rahu will be able to have malefic aspect on Jupiter. It is on 25th of May, Jupiter will transit to Gemini. So, so this is something which is a challenging alignment, which may bring uncertainty and frustration, calling for resilience and patience. Individuals with weaker planetary positions in their birth chart should exercise extra caution, maintain clarity, and focus on bridging any karma gaps to navigate the period smoothly. Before making decisions or taking action, it is essential to follow astrological yogas that promote discipline, enhance confidence, and strengthen conviction. There are many examples to illustrate, the bad yogas whenever we operate. And the recent one is India's loss in Bangalore Test match against New Zealand. Indian captain Rohit Sharma won the toss during an inauspicious yoga, Vyagata yoga, and the team was bowled out for just 46 runs, which is their one of the lowest totals, leading to a loss in the match. Now, this misfortune from this yoga continued into the next test match. Although the yoga was favorable, Captain Rohit Sharma lost the toss and ultimately the game also because his stars not placed well at the moment. He is born in April, so he's got an exaltation. The sun is now at the weakest position in Libra, and you can see that he's been struggling and he's been on the line of fire. So this is what happens when you have difficult planetary situations happening in your birth chart. So you must follow the birth charts that we have. Like this, we give a birth chart with full information for the day, with timing wise. If you look at green, so you should try to buy stocks or anything, do anything good on these green things and avoid like Rav or any bad yogas there. 2nd November, so this is how we will give you the chart. So if you want to take the charts on a daily basis, you can plan a day well in advance. Look at this 30th October, you had Vishkumbha Yoga, right from morning 8:50 a.m. And so see this in Raukal also. So we put this thread, this difficult situation. So this is how we will, give you this thing. These are the astrological events that I was talking about. You can take note of them, and accordingly you can uh, take better decisions hopefully and gain from this and create a lot of wealth for yourself. Thank you so much for listening to this program. I wish you a great uh, Muhurat Trading and Investing acumen in Samvat 2081. Please do subscribe my channel and have a nice time. Thank you so much.